Welcome to Sunday Stories, where we highlight successful people who made it from nothing. This is for the dreamers, the ones who know they're meant for more. Today's story is about a man who built an empire with one song. When you think of empires, you think of steel, stone, and gold, but this empire was built on Scotch bonnet peppers, a secret family recipe, and belief. This is the story of Levi Roots. In 2007, he stood under the bright lights of Dragon's Den. 5 millionaires in front of him. 60 seconds to change his life. He didn't bring spreadsheets. He didn't bring a polished presentation. He brought a guitar, but that moment didn't start there. Years earlier, in a small kitchen in Brixton, Levi was making around 65 bottles of sauce a day by hand. No factory, no funding, just a recipe passed down from his grandmother. He tried selling it locally. Doors closed, investors rejected him. Banks said no, some even told him his product wasn't right for the mainstream market. 16 years of rejection, most people would have quit. But Levi didn't. At Notting Hill Carnival, running his food stall, he saw something powerful. People loved the flavor. Thousands of bottles sold. The market was there. He just had to find it. So when the opportunity came to pitch on national television, he took it, and he did it his way. Back under those studio lights, Levi sang, "It's so nice with your fried chicken." At first the dragons were skeptical, but the flavor was undeniable. The energy was real. The room began to shift, then came the tough questions. Sales, margins, scale, and then a mistake. He said he had an order for 2.5 million liters. The real number, 500 kilograms. The room went cold. Investors started dropping out, but 2 remained. They offered him £50,000. Not for 20% like he asked, but for 40%. It wasn't ideal. But Levi understood something most people don't. Owning a smaller piece of something big is better than owning all of something small. He took the deal. Within weeks, reggae sauce hit supermarket shelves across the UK. It sold out within a year. Over 1 million bottles were sold. From a kitchen in Brixton to a brand worth tens of millions. 16 years of rejection turned into overnight success. Levi Roots proved something powerful. You don't need a perfect business plan. You need belief, persistence, authenticity. And when your moment comes, you need the courage to take your shot. Subscribe to the Broke Escape Plan. See you next week for another inspiring story.